How to sell XRP on Trust Wallet. First, open up Trust Wallet and locate your XRP. Open up Trust Wallet app on your phone. Then tap on XRP from your wallet home screen. Tap Send to prepare for transfer. Then create or log in to a crypto exchange. You need a centralized exchange that support XRP trading and bank withdrawals. Some recommended exchanges are these right here. Go to the exchange's website or app and log in or sign up. Complete KYC verification if not already done. Then get your XRP deposit address from the exchange. In your exchange account, go to Wallets, then Deposit. Select XRP from the list of assets. Then copy both the XRP wallet address and the designation tag. Memo required for XRP transfers. Keep in mind that XRP without the designation tag may result in loss of funds. Then send XRP from Trust Wallet to exchange. Return to Trust Wallet, tap XRP and then send. Paste the XRP deposit address from the exchange. Paste the designation tag. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send. Tap Next. Review details and then tap on Send. Then sell XRP on your exchange. After XRP arrives in your exchange wallet, go to Trade or Sell section. Choose XRP, sell for your local currency. Confirm the transaction and complete the sale. Then withdraw fiat to your bank. Go to Fiat Wallet or Withdraw tab on the exchange. Choose your linked bank account or payment method. Enter the amount and confirm the withdrawal. Fiat withdrawals may take 1 to 5 business days depending on the method and country. Subscribe.